We'll solve a very simple numerical using the plane mirrors and our techniques of our ray optics, and that is we are being asked to find the number of images observed by a person when the two plane mirrors are at 90 degrees. Okay, so this is the setup. We have two plane mirrors at 90 degree to each other, and I have placed an object between them. Now I have been asked to find out how many images this person would actually see. Okay, so very simple. There are two very simple cases. We can draw those images right away. So this image I1 and this image I2 are directly formed by the rays emanating from the object, okay, striking the mirror and then diverging from the mirror. When we retrace these rays back, we arrive at object I1, and similarly we can arrive at object I2 as well. Okay, so those are the two non-complicated images. Those are virtual images, but those are simple images. They are directly formed by the rays emanating from the object O, striking the mirror and then leaving the mirror. Only a single mirror is being present in these two cases. Now there is also another case in which the rays leaving the object O not only strike one mirror but two mirrors. Okay, so these rays which leave O first strike mirror 1. From mirror 1 they leave and they strike mirror 2, and then they go on and reach the observer's eye. In that case, there is a third image which would be formed, and this third image, okay, would be formed at a point where we will just use our same technique. We will retrace these rays back, okay, the final rays, the blue ones, we will retrace them back, and the point at which they meet, this I3, this would be our third image. Now there are two ways to look at this. First way is this one only, that this the rays emanating from object O are being are striking twice. Okay, that is one way. Are striking first the mirror 1, then the mirror 2. Another way to look at the same thing, actually, and more interesting way, is to see that this image I1 is behaving as an object itself. Okay, it has itself become an object, and because this image I1 has become an object, therefore there are rays emanating from this image I1. Okay, forget about this image O completely. There is emanating from this image I1, in turn strike the mirror number 2, and they result in this image I3 formed right here. Okay, and that is the more interesting way when we are given complicated arrangement, right? So this is a simple case of mirrors 90 degrees. When we are given mirrors like this, okay, or there could even be 3 mirrors and then objects are placed, then if we look at the images formed because of images, our jobs would become simpler. Okay, so with that we have solved this numerical. Try solving some such problems and drawing these diagrams, the ray diagrams. Draw these rays yourself and you will be able to solve these questions in exam. Again, they are very scoring questions, very simple also, but just need some practice. Thank you.